Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Samsung Galaxy A20e. So first, check the cable and the charger if it's not broken in any way. So mine is not. Then clean the charging port that is right here on the bottom of your phone and clean it with soft tools like Q-tips, wooden stick or compressed air. Don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the port. Next thing is to go into the settings, then scroll down to device care, battery, charging, and make sure that the fast charging is enabled. And you can test the charger with another phone or this phone with another charger. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.